What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Whitecraft Woodworking. Today we're working on some wine rack pallets. Fantastic build, awesome, pretty cheap. Here we are cutting 45-degree angles on this piece of pallet, so that way we can put them on the bottom of the pallet rack that holds the wine glasses. Yeah, this little bit of the video I tried to make it look a little goofy. That didn't really work out too well, but those are all the pieces. The edges and that middle centerpiece, I am measuring them at 8 inches, two of them at 8 inches, and the other one is at 9 inches. And once you get them cut, then you just draw up like a nice little design. My little design is this. It comes kind of curves in a little bit and comes back up. And once you've done that, then just take a jigsaw and jigsaw it out. The pallet wood that I'm using is a thick pallet wood, and it was a really big pain for my jigsaw, and as you can tell, I got an older jigsaw, so it took forever. Alright, so once everything is sanded and cut, now it comes to taking in another piece of pallet board and lining up your centered, the center with a wine glass. In my instance, I used our biggest wine glass base, kind of like a accent and whatnot, and you just glue them. And we're going to end up brad nailing them in. I'm using 1-inch brad nails. And then once that's all done, there's those pieces that I cut with the jigsaw. That's how I'm going to have it placed out. One in the center and two on the edges. The center one is the longest one. These center pieces you can also use 2x4 as well, but I decided to just recycle the entire pallet. And we glue them and then just send a couple brad nails through them. Do the same thing with the front plate. repeat process for the back. The back is going to have 2 pallet pieces back to back like that. And once that is all done, after it's been brad nailed in, give it a nice look over, and bam, we've got our finished product. So the cost of this project, the pallet was free. My brad nails I picked up at Harbor Freight for $2.96 or something like that. So anybody can do this. Just follow along and you got it.